Are you targeting the wrong cleaning clients with your marketing? If you are, you have two big problems. First, you're wasting money on your advertising. Secondarily, you're not getting the cleaning clients that you really deserve. You're not servicing the people that you really, really want to service. That can be a huge impact in your business alone, even if you're not spending that much money on your marketing. So let's talk about that. There are two big problems that I see that happen all the time in cleaning, advertising, and marketing. First and foremost, a lot of company owners and managers will try to go after the cheapest advertising that they can get. And granted, I'm not going to say that there are not times to do that, because there are indeed times. I would do cheap and free advertising sometimes in my cleaning company, sometimes even consistently, right? Especially with referral marketing and manually going out and talking to commercial properties and to realtors, and sometimes even Facebook posting and posting things on Facebook groups and things like that. Yes, but if that's your primary business model, especially the free type of marketing, then you've got a problem, because you are being seen. Let's take this example. This is a ad posted in a local Facebook group that I saw this morning in my area, and it's for snow removal. And, frankly, two different impressions. So you got to always think about your branding. How are you branding yourself in your marketing? And so two different impressions come up here. One, either the fact that this is a very, very small shoestring budget company, which that turns off some people. Secondarily, they are new in business, right? So for a lot of homeowners, this isn't somebody that you really want to deal with. And this is kind of the image that you're giving out. You're attracting cheap with marketing like this. So here's an example of a Facebook ad. I guess this also could be just a Facebook post, which is an image as well. This one's actually just a little bit better. You do have a picture of a girl doing some cleaning. She looks nice. It's got a couple of kind of things about what they do. Kind of hard to read, but it's basically just phone number and license and insured, but nothing really, really unique here. It's just saying you're professional, affordable, saying what your rates are, and just name, rank, and serial number, and compare apples to apples. And if somebody else is cheaper, the cheaper person is going to win the bid and win the client. So this is dangerous as well. Nothing unique is really coming on. Again, this could be free advertising, this could be cheap advertising. The other huge secondary problem that I see really all the time, maybe even more often than the cheap and free advertising, is the copycat advertising, right? The, hey, let's do 2 rooms for $99, 5 rooms for $189. Why? I saw a competitor do it and it sounded great. Or even worse, a competitor said 4 rooms for $189, so I'm going to advertise mine for $169 to beat them, right? That's really, really bad marketing. And even ChemDry jumps on the bandwagon. All the franchises do, at some point or another. But, dollar amounts off carpet cleaning, whatever the case may be. Sometimes that's a little bit better than the 5 rooms for X dollars. And there are times where I even did this in my cleaning company for specific reasons for specific people. So depending on how they target this may or may not be a bad thing. But here's what I really want to show you about, right? And talk about. When you look at a carpet cleaning ad, when you look at your ad, if you're looking at it thinking, I could fill in the blanks for any other logo, and that's kind of what these are. These are just kind of templates. I could put in my logo in and it should work. Maybe change the price, because I don't want to say $99 for 5 rooms. I'll say $129 for 5 rooms. Guys, it's the same thing. You're targeting yourself based on price. You're competing based on price, and you're copying your competition. You don't look different than your competition. You look branded just the same as your competition. And so here's another occasion. Here we've got Steam Cleaning Company. Well, 5 reasons to get your home steam cleaned, right? And it gives some very vague, not really that beneficial reasons. But, and again, this could be a Facebook ad, a postcard, or whatever with this type of message. But it's just terrible, because it's just lumping you into all the other steam cleaning companies. Same thing with dry cleaning. Don't really advertise based on your method, for one. Not to mention the picture is a picture of a vacuum doing steam cleaning, and it's kind of silly. But in a nutshell, I've seen ads from cleaners all the time with each one of these messages just like this. I've seen websites just like all of this. Some of these same exact pictures, some of the same exact messages, some of the same exact logos that look just like this. Guys, don't be like your competition. Don't be a copycat. You need to find out who your company is. Go out and tell people about that. Give them a unique offer. Tell them why you're different. And go out and win the client that you want to target.